PC for free here with the unboxing of the Roccat Isku illuminated gaming keyboard. First of all, I'd like to say a huge shout out to Steve at Merencourt. Big thanks for sending out all these Roccat goodies. We've got caps, more caps, sweatbands, lanyards, and even a t-shirt. So huge thank you for that, Steve. So let's open up this, see what's inside. So this is Roccat's latest keyboard, featuring the really interesting new feature from Roccat, the the Roccat Talk, which allows the keyboard to communicate with the mouse, allowing you to use your easy shift button for the Roccat Cone Plus through the keyboard, which should be really interesting. So we have the keyboard itself included, and then the drivers, discs and CDs. So I'm going to cut to that and we're going to see what's inside. So I'm now back with the Roccat sweatband on and that means I'm ready to show you what's inside this little package that comes with the keyboard. As always, we've got the nice slick Roccat packaging. So inside here we have the quick installation guide. So I'll just show you, imagine with nice pictures, it's a nice glossy manual showing you how to do it as you'd expect, showing the features, the easy zone here, but I'm sure you can know about them. I'll put a link to the keyboard in the description so you can have a quick look at it. We've got the CDs, the drivers and Roccat stuff, but I'd always suggest downloading the latest from Roccat's website. And to access Roccat's website, you've got the Roccat ID card, so you can access the Roccat World feature of the website where you'll be able to download your drivers for the keyboard. So now let's just have a quick cut and look at the keyboard. Here we are, having a look at the keyboard itself. Down the left hand side here we have the 5 programmable macro keys. Just down here you have the 3 thumbster buttons, which are an interesting new feature, so you should be able to use your thumbs for things other than the space bar. We've got this nice glossy finish around the inside of the keyboard, and then this matte wrist rest. Up here we've got the record macro button, and then the profiles just here. Across we have the media keys, and then we have the button for switching the brightness of the keyboard, the Roccat Talk label here. Yeah, so this looks like a really good keyboard. We're going to have to test that, so I'll see you in the review, which should be uploaded shortly. It's PC for free.